Alright, so this is the lower road, one that we've been working on, and figured I'd take a walk up it as well. Get up here and have a look at this burn barrel. It's buried. See where they plowed the snow. Creek down there. Looking gorgeous. Ooh. One of the little waterfalls over there. That's crazy. So you can see right there, that is the burn barrel. Holy cow. Wow. That's insane. You can see the creek down there. Coming over. This is the waterfall, the big rocks and everything. And up there's the mine shaft. Property line's back up over in here. So that's the lower road.